Why many people will never have a career in the film industry. Why do most people never have a future in the film industry? Is it lack of confidence, lack of skills, lack of resources, or is there something else? In this video, we will show you why many people failed to have a career in the film industry and why they gave up. Only because how you treat your body plays a significant role in the physical toll the film industry will take on your body. Primarily, it makes it a problematic reason why individuals do not have a career in industry. You'll be on the move a lot. Additionally, you may be standing a lot, or you can be carrying a ton of insanely hefty stuff. Additionally, depending on the field you work in, you can be required to perform weird mental gymnastics that eventually put a strain on your body by taxing your mind as well. In either case, working those 12+ hours causes a lot of physical strain on everyone on set. Your body takes a deep drop into feeling like you were struck by a truck every day. You eat poorly, smoke, drink, party instead of sleeping, use any strong drugs, don't drink enough water, don't exercise, or even simply stretch a little. Although it does take effort to take care of your body so that you can at least feel fine while working and get through the day, many people are unwilling to modify their routines to truly achieve that requires time and effort. And depending on the project you're working on, some people may not have the luxury. One of the main reasons people don't manage to keep their pace in the industry is when they begin to realize they don't have the time to take care of themselves. Frequently received question: how do you maintain a relationship? How is it possible to work in cinema and have a family? Can it even be done? Divorce rates among those who work in the film industry are extremely high. It is feasible to be in a relationship, but the person you end up with needs to comprehend your life, your objectives, your goals, and what actual film life is like. Additionally, because they can relate to one another and occasionally work on the same projects, people in the film industry marry other people in the industry. Work and discipline are required. Both of you need to feel at ease being apart from your partner. It's not an easy task. Many people will never have a career in the film industry because the industry is so competitive. If you want to be successful, you need to work hard at it. You can't just wake up one day and decide that you want to be a filmmaker. You need to put in a lot of time and effort beforehand. Many other people have similar stories about how long it took them before they were able to make it into Hollywood. Some people are lucky enough to find work right away without having any experience whatsoever. Others must put up with low-paying jobs for years before finding success with their craft. Many people will never have a career in the film industry. Many people do not have the ability to work on set. They may be too old or too young or just not good enough. Many people are limited in what they can do because of their age, gender, or physical abilities. Some people cannot afford to travel to different cities and countries for work on set. Some people are not able to make it because of their lack of skills and knowledge. The main reason why these people fail is because they do not have the necessary skills and knowledge to do their job well. This can be seen in the movie industry, where most of the people fail at their jobs due to lack of knowledge and skills. If you're a person who has ever been the kind of person who watches the film industry, you know that it is extremely hard to get a career in the film industry. The reason for this is that there are simply too many people who want to be in the film industry and can't get into it. The competition is just too great. So what can you do if you want to take your dream jobs seriously? Well, that's it from today's video. If you liked the video, make sure to like it. Also, subscribe to the channel to get more of these kinds of informative videos, and hit the bell icon so you will be notified. See you guys in the next video. Until then, peace.